Hey there, I'm Guy. I work on the instructional design team at TechSmith, and I'm going to show you how to create a training video using live footage from the camera in your pocket. There are many things around the workplace that require training, and a video is an excellent way to share that knowledge. Some examples might be workplace safety demonstrations, employee onboarding, patient intake procedures, or compliance protocols. Once you've decided on a topic, create a simple storyboard to help you visualize what you want to show. This doesn't need to be fancy, and some simple sketches or images will work just fine. It's also a good idea to write an outline or rough script of what you'd like to say. Something as simple as a set of talking points is a good way to make sure nothing is left out when you record the video. With a storyboard and loose script in hand, you're ready to set up the scene and capture your footage. To record this video, I'll use the camera in my smartphone, a tripod, and a smartphone clip to keep the camera steady. If you happen to have a nicer camera on hand, feel free to use that as well. Start by collecting any supplies, props, or tools that you need and have them readily available. Then, stage your recording space. Place your camera on a tripod to provide the most consistent, stable footage, and position it as close to your subject as possible while still getting everything you need in the shot. Being close to the subject will help you get the best possible audio when recording with a smartphone camera. Now that the scene is set, use your storyboard and script as a guide to record yourself explaining and completing each step in the task. Once you're finished recording, it's time to edit it in Camtasia. Let's take a look at how it's done. First, start a new project. Then, transfer your footage from your phone to your computer. We suggest using TechSmith Fuse, which is a mobile app that makes it easy to send footage from an iPhone or Android device right to Camtasia's media bin. When you have all of your media in Camtasia, drag clips to the timeline and position them in the order you want them to appear in the video. Trim excess portions of a clip by mousing over the edge and dragging. We like to include an intro sequence in our videos. This allows us to brand our videos and display some initial information like title and the series the video is a part of to viewers. To do this, create some space at the beginning of the timeline by holding Shift on your keyboard and dragging the playhead. Then, open the Library tab, and from the Motion Graphics Intro Clips folder, drag an intro clip to the timeline. Customize your intro clip by double-clicking the text boxes and entering text like a title that you'd like to display. If you don't need one of the text boxes, you can click to select it and then hit delete. Finally, line up the video clips on the timeline so that when the intro sequence ends, your recorded video begins. That's some mighty fine editing work. Now we're ready to produce the video. Click the share button and choose local file to export the video file to your computer. Or use the other options to send your video right to the web for instant sharing with others. That's all for this video, but feel free to check out some of the other Camtasia tutorials to learn even more about making remarkable training videos.